This is unit 330, which is our 1C.3 floor plan. Right off of the front door, you walk into the kitchen. It's nice and big and open. Right to the right through these doors, you're gonna have washer dryer and then hot water heaters on the other side. Just on the other side of that is the kitchen. You have storage above the cabinets. Plenty of counter space, plenty of storage, as you can see. All major appliances. That walks right into the living area, which is spacious. On the third floor, this floor plan does have a little patio, which you can see just outside of the window here. It's on the courtyard, which is on the third floor, so it's not street level, it's courtyard. Bathroom is just through here. So you're gonna have a big stand-up shower with nice glass windows. Big mirror, plenty of counter space. Nice big walk-in closet. Plenty of storage all the way around. And just on the other side of the bathroom is the bedroom. You have overhead lighting. Ceiling fan, plenty of space. You could definitely get a king-size bed in here. For more information, please visit livetrivista.com.